This video is all about seeking professional help. Health professionals are experts at treating back pain. They see it every single day. Health professionals include physiotherapists, chiropractors, or your local doctor or GP. Research has shown that people who visit a healthcare professional within the first 3 days of an injury have a 75% quicker recovery rate. They also have a 67% less chance of reoccurrence than those who don't seek health professional help. Health professionals are able to help you detail the extent and cause of your injury, and therefore what individual treatment is appropriate for you. There are many treatment options out there. These include spinal mobilisation, spinal manipulation, massage, trigger pointing or myofascial releases, muscle energy techniques, taping, dry needling, the Mackenzie approach, neural mobilisation, or directional specific stretches and exercises. Health professionals are also experts at identifying intrinsic or extrinsic causes of your back pain. These are causes which can lead to chronicity down the track. They are therefore able to give you tailored individual programs to help prevent back pain occurrences further down the track. There have been many different position statements presented by many different professional organisations covering the most up-to-date evidence-based research on how to manage your acute back pain. I have attached a copy of one of these statements presented by the APA from 2002.